Let's try out some K-beauty skincare and makeup. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal color specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film we're going to be reviewing as well, we're going to be talking about some K-beauty products including skincare and makeup. So if you want to sit with me on this one, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film we're going to be reviewing as well, we're going to be talking about some K-beauty products including skincare and makeup, and STYLEVANNA, which is a website where you can buy some amazing K-beauty products including skincare, including makeup. They also have hair care, even they have amazing contact lenses, was very kind to send me some products including skincare and makeup. Also on STYLEVANNA you can find some K-beauty brands that you can't find anywhere else or you just can't ship into your country, and STYLEVANNA does ship worldwide. Also STYLEVANNA gave me a discount code that I'm going to put up on screen here as well as in the description down below, and you can get anywhere from 10 to 15% off on certain brands. Right you guys, so let's get right into it. Right you guys, the first product I'm going to be talking about is the product I am a bit bored of when it comes to K-beauty, but I said, you know what you guys, I'm gonna try it out anyways, and that product is sheet mask from Day Mellow. Right you guys, when it comes to sheet masks, I remember when I went to Korea and only then K-beauty was really kicking in Europe and people started hearing about, so it was like, oh my god, I can't wait to get a sheet mask. But now I'm just a bit bored of them. Like, to me they're just really a serum. But when it comes to this sheet mask, it contains Hayutania Choroidata extract, which is brilliant for calming your skin, nourishing your skin and brightening your skin. And when it comes to K-beauty, brightening doesn't mean whitening. When they say brightening, it means like to brighten it up, to make it more youthful. This plant is also used to treat pneumonia in Asia, so I find this very, very interesting. And I did try the mask twice and like it was lovely. My skin felt really hydrated. Now, the one good thing that I really like about this sheet mask was that I always find, because I have a bit of stubble and all of you guys that have stubbles, you know, you put the sheet mask on and the sheet mask literally just lifts out. This sheet mask has so much product on it that it just penetrates through your stubble and it sits really nicely. So I liked it from that point of view. Now overall I'm just bored of sheet mask. Like, I'd rather just use a serum. But overall I did find that sheet mask really good and it did hydrate my skin. And what I done afterwards was, when I peeled it off, I actually took the excess to put around my hands and elbows to hydrate them. Right you guys, the next skincare product that STYLEVANNA sent me was, or is shall I say, Logically Skin 10-day trial. Right you guys, when it comes to Logically Skin, I love this brand. I swear by this brand, and actually the 10-day trial kit is actually really, really good. So it has probably one of my favorite ingredients, and it is very, very clinical, if you could say it that way. So it does contain aquidite, which is brilliant for inflammation, irritation. It also has the ability to retain water, so it's going to keep the moisture within your skin. So this is brilliant for all skin types, and my skin is oily to combination and I found it really good. So what do we get inside of this box? Now, we do get a cleanser, we do get a toning mist, we do get a serum, and we do get a hydrating cream moisturizer. Now, first of all, I did use the cleanser, and I love a cleanser. I mean, you can't go wrong with a cleanser. And when it comes to this baby, so this is your toner and you literally mist that on your skin, and I just love it. This is probably my favorite product out of everything in that box, and it's a product I'll probably rebuy. So you just mist that and it smells absolutely beautiful, and it's going to calm your skin and protect it from external irritation. So overall, this is probably my favorite product. Now the serum is lovely and the moisturizer is good, but if you've watched me for a while, you know that I chop and change my moisturizers. And that brings me to probably my favorite skincare product that I did get from STYLEVANNA, and that product is IUNIK Centella Calming Gel. Now you guys, for someone like me, you know me, I like to wear a bit of makeup and my skin is very oily. So if you get something like a calming gel, that will be brilliant, because some moisturizers can be really, really heavy and it's going to make your skin glow. And like that, gels, if you're looking for something when you're oily, just make sure you look for a gel or a lotion. IUNIK is an amazing brand and I love their products. I've used them before. So what is so amazing about this product that I really like? It's brilliant for oily skin and acne prone skin. Also, it contains tea tree water and tea tree extract, which is antibacterial. It has high amounts of niacinamide, which is brilliant for oil control. So for anyone with acne prone skin or oily skin, this product is amazing. And centella is a calming ingredient, so I absolutely adore it. And like that, it says it's brighten and wrinkle care, but as a moisturizer, as you can see, it has that nice kind of jelly consistency. I think it's brilliant. So it's definitely my favorite product. So I'm just going to apply that onto my skin before putting on some makeup. Right, you guys, moving on to makeup, and I am so excited because I mean K-beauty and makeup. First product I'm gonna be trying out, you guys, is McQueen Tint Brow. And McQueen, I know, McQueen is a very popular Korean makeup brand and their products are absolutely brilliant. I've heard about them. I know STYLEVANNA also does Moonshot and all those different brands, but McQueen is brilliant. So this product is in light brown. So it's your kind of 3-point stroke brush, and it is waterproof, oil-proof, long-lasting and natural. Now, I am really excited to use this because it's one of those that is going to give you that micro needling or micro needling effect to your eyebrows. And like that, it is a pen. I mean, the packaging is alright. It's grand packaging. I'm always afraid when it comes to using those because for someone that has no eyebrows like me, it can go so wrong. So you guys, I'm gonna zoom you in and we're gonna try this out. Right, so we're zoomed in, so I'm gonna open this up and this could go really wrong. So as you can see, we get those 3 kind of stroke hairs and we'll see if that's gonna give me an eyebrow. So let's get right into it. Hopefully the shade is good as well. So I'm gonna just grab my mirror here. I'm just gonna gently paint that on. Now I want this to work because I've always wanted to get one of those, but we'll see. Right, so okay, so the light brown is definitely on the warmer side and I'm just going very gentle with it because I find with those pens, like anything that's pen like and you've no eyebrows, it can look very fake. But if you have a good eyebrow, a thick eyebrow, and you just want to fill that up, they're brilliant. But so far so good. Now, see, like, I think that would be a lot nicer if my eyebrow had a definition to it already. So what I'm actually going to do is on this eyebrow, I'm actually going to fill in my eyebrow with my usual stuff and then I'm going to go over with this one. Right, so I quickly filled in my eyebrow on this side and this is always my good eyebrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to, let me just grab my mirror. I'm literally just going to fill that in ever so slightly. Yeah, and the result is so much better. So he's just giving me that feathery looking result to the eyebrow. So that is really nice, and it's nice and soft. It's not too streaky comparing to this eyebrow when it nearly looks dirty. So I think if I just fill that up with powder, it's gonna look so much better. And you can get that bushy result with your eyebrow. You know, that eyebrow is lovely. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to this eyebrow and I'm just going to clean that up and I'm going to finish doing my makeup. So I'm going to apply my concealer and all that and we're going to come back to you. Alright, you guys, so I finished doing my makeup and as you can see, the eyebrows look so much fuller. Once you have the foundation on and concealer, it all comes together and it's definitely giving me more of that fluffy, fuller result. Even though the color is slightly warm for what I would normally go for, I think the result of it is rather nice. I'm happy with you. Right, you guys, the next product I'm going to be trying out is I Am Multi-Cube in Chocolate by I Am Meme. Right, you guys, so this is actually an eyeshadow palette and it's tiny. So let's open this up. So we do get eyeshadow in this and also we get a blusher. And this one is in chocolate. So the packaging is super cute. Like, it is so cute. Right, so let's open this up. And voila, here we go. So I mean, those colors are pretty much what I would normally wear. Like, they're nice browny beigey colors. And then underneath we do have a blusher. I mean, I don't really wear a blusher, but maybe for today's film I will. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give a bit of a soft smoky effect to my eye. I am probably not going to use any of those shimmers because I'm not a shimmer kind of gal. So we're going to really go with number 1 and number 3. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to dip it into number 1. And there is no fallout on that whatsoever, so that's good. And the pigmentation is on the brush. But from what I heard about K-Beauty is that the pigmentation is so soft, but there is definitely a pigment payoff on my eyelid. So I'm impressed, and there's no fallout. The formula is rather on the drier side, but overall it feels quite comfortable on the eyelid. But we'll see how it'll blend out. But I definitely find myself dipping a few times into it to get the pigment payoff. But overall with K-Beauty, you do get that because the pigmentation is so soft. Their makeup is a lot more neutral compared to like Ireland, where everyone wants to look like a drag queen. So once I have that applied, I'm just going to buff that out into my crease. Now it'll be interesting to see how number 3 looks on the eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm just going to dip it into number 3, and the pigment payoff is there, and I'm just going to apply that into my outer corner and just blend that into my... That's actually a really nice color. That color is absolutely gorgeous. But as you can see, I am really dipping into it to get some pigment. Right, and I'm going to repeat that on that side. And with a fluffy blending brush, I will blend all that out. And they blend out absolutely beautifully. Like, it's a very nice soft eyeshadow. Like, what I find this brilliant for is like if I'm going to go away or something and I'll just need an eyeshadow, it'll be brilliant because I have them 2 colors and I have a few shimmers and you have a blush, so it is, that color is actually stunning. And they blend out really, really nicely. It's just giving me a nice gradient look to my eye, and it is really soft, which I love, because sometimes you put an eyeshadow, it's like boom, pigmentation is there, but then it just doesn't blend out, it just doesn't move. When this eyeshadow moves really, really nicely. So with the same blending brush, I'm going to dip it into the shade number 3. I'm just going to run that under my lid, on my lower lid or whatever. I think that look is perfect for me. Like, I wouldn't do any more to it. So let's try the blush. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to dip into the blush. And God, I never wear blush. Like, I never wear blush. So I'm just going to bounce that on my cheek. And I'm just looking slightly fresher. Blush is really coming back nowadays anyways. The only thing about blush is that I'll be afraid that I'll overdo it. Like, this is just giving me a nice fresh look to my skin. Right, the last product that I got from STYLEVANNA is Dual Glitter Liner by McQueen New York. This is in shade Midnight Gold. Now, I am not an eyeliner kind of girl. I just feel like I'm that kind of girl for anything. But we'll see what we can do with this. And this is glitter. Like, this is glitter. Like, look at that. Oh, this is really, really pigmented. Now, so I'm just going to swatch that on my hand first and see how that is looking. I'm going to swatch that on my hand. So there's a nice glitter to it. Like, so it's a clear liner with glitter on it. So that could be lovely all over your lid. Like, it's perfect for Christmas. So what I'm going to do with that actually is I'm just going to dip that into my inner corner just to give a bit more Christmassy feel to it. So I'm literally just going to... Oh, she's glittery. She is really glittery. Now the only thing is, because it is so wet, it is quite itchy on the eye. It's very itchy actually. Like, the formula of it is really, really wet. It nearly... Do you know what it reminds me of? It's like the clear nail varnish with glitter in it. And I'm just going to pop that, a tiny bit of that. It's very, very itchy. But I mean, the glitter is definitely there. Now, I wouldn't say it's the most comfortable thing to put around your eyes because it is cold and it is really, really liquidy. But I mean, the pigment is definitely there. It is very easy to apply, but like I said, my eyes are nearly watering because the formula is so cold and so watery. But overall, I mean, the glitter is there. So you guys, in conclusion, when it comes to products from STYLEVANNA, I was fairly much happy with everything. I mean, the sheet mask was alright. I mean, sheet mask is a sheet mask. The 10-day kit trial, I think it's definitely something good. You can just bring it with you and try it out. But I definitely love this stuff. The Carmine gel is absolutely stunning and I will use that. Now when it comes to makeup, the McQueen pencil, I think it was lovely. It's something I'll use. And the eyeshadow palette is fabulous. I mean, my eyeshadow is kind of nice today. It's actually lovely. When it comes to the J-liner, I mean, if it's something you like, yeah, but overall I don't like the formula. It felt really wet on your eyelids and it's just not really comfortable and you don't want your eyes to water. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.